everyone, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna make one of my favorite things to make, which I know I said just a couple days ago, but it is again one of my favorite things to make. Today we're gonna make a boxy bag. This is the classic boxy bag. This is a pattern from OklaRoots. It does come as available as a single panel, which is what I'm doing today, or you can make it two-tone, which is the most popular variation of it. You can make it in clear vinyl, you can make it in vinyl, nylon. I'm doing all quilt cotton today, and then I'm actually gonna be using a water-resistant canvas on the lining just to give it a little bit of extra structure. It's pretty loosey-goosey. This is not very firm. You could add Deco-Fill Light to it. You could add fusible fleece to give it even more body and shape. However, I wanted to keep it light and airy and fun. We're going to be using the Appliquéd panel that we made yesterday in the tutorials. So if you'd like to go check out how we added these cute little penguins, I'll have a link for that video down below. This is a great beginner pattern. It really is. It is a great beginner bag make. You're going to learn a lot about zipper installations, and I think that the unique way that we do the edges to make sure we don't have any raw edges on the inside, there's no binding necessary, is really useful, and it's a method you could use in other bags as well. So if you haven't given the boxy bag a try, I would highly suggest you do. It's a fun one, and we have loads of templates that go with this as well for all the pieces. So if you haven't subscribed to the OklaRoots YouTube channel, please make sure you do that. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you've made the boxy bag before, please leave a comment down below. I would love to know. I would love to know how many of you guys watching the video today have already made this. And if you haven't made it, please give it a try. It is the perfect little size. It is fantastic for travel. I will tell you, when we go on vacation, which we will be going on fairly soon, my suitcase is just packed full of these little cuties. I organize everything. Also, a lot of my bins and stuff now are full of these. They are fantastic. They are so good for keeping you organized at home and when you're traveling, and they're a great gift. Alrighty guys, let's get started.